A warm welcome to everyone. Today we take a plunge into the captivating world of creating mood boards, an essential tool in any interior design journey. We will explore their significance, components, and the creation process. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey of mood board creation. Now, mood boards are not just a mere collection of beautiful images, they speak a visual language. They're crucial in aligning expectations between you and your client, preventing misunderstandings that could lead to costly revisions down the line. A well-crafted mood board serves as a blueprint, outlining the desired aesthetic and emotional impact of the space. It's a tangible tool to help navigate the creative process, bringing your vision to life in a concrete way. So, see them as your visual guide to the aesthetic and emotional journey you want to undertake. A well-curated mood board comprises color palettes, textures, and inspirational images. But it's so much more than that. It's a tangible representation of your vision, a visual language that communicates the essence of your design. Now let's not forget about functional elements. Fabric swatches, furniture pieces, and even lighting fixtures could be part of your mood board. They give a practical touch and provide a sense of the real-world application of your design. Consider this. If you're trying to evoke a mid-century modern style, you might include geometric patterns, warm wood tones, and images of iconic furniture pieces from that era. Remember, each element on your mood board should be purposeful and contribute to the overall mood you're aiming to create. Now let's dive into the process of creating a mood board. The first step is gathering your materials. This could be anything from magazine clippings, digital images, fabric swatches, or even pieces of nature that inspire you. There are many digital tools available that can be used as a great resource to arrange your board. Once you've collected your materials, start by choosing your base color. This will set the tone for your entire board. From there, begin to build around it, adding in textures, patterns, and additional colors that complement your base. Remember, when selecting your elements, focus on quality over quantity. Each image, swatch, or piece of inspiration should serve the mood you're trying to convey. Don't just add elements to fill space. Make sure each one has a purpose and contributes to your overall vision. Lastly, arrange your elements in a visually pleasing but also functional way. Ensure that the materials are organized on your board to create a clear vision of the design. Creating a mood board is a selective process, focusing on quality over quantity. Each element should be purposeful and contribute to the overall mood you're aiming to create. In conclusion, remember that a mood board is more than just a beautiful collage. It's a powerful communication tool.
Like, follow, and share for more tips at DS Design Labs.